So this is the MMF VCF from Happy Nerding. It's a stereo filter and a true stereo filter, not a filter that's got two different filters such as the various dual filter modules or two individual filters that we're going to put together to create stereo. And there are many ways you could make stereo in modular, the most obvious being just buying two of everything, having two filters for your left and right processing, two oscillators for their input, and so on. Or you could get a dual filter that could work in series or parallel, and in parallel you could use that as two separate left and right processors. However, this is only 8 HP, it's got stereo in, stereo out, and it can be high pass, band pass or low pass per side. It's got shared cutoff control, shared resonance and shared frequency modulation. So an all-in stereo filter, that's its purpose. I've got oscillators mixed in the 3x MIA mixer inverter attenuator module from Happy Nerding, and let's just check out the sound of the filter. And this is based on the Moog transistor ladder design, and something rather unique, they managed to get some bandpass and high pass outputs as well. A little bit of trickery there from Happy Nerding. Let's check out the filter again. Let's check out bandpass. And we'll check out the high pass. Doesn't shut off completely. Now we could have different filter types per side, so let's check out low pass on one and high pass on the other. Let's check out band pass and low pass. Just going to drop my input levels and let's see how it responds differently. A much more pronounced resonance. Let's go back into that high pass and see if we can completely cut it off. When we're not saturating it as much, it does seem to go up higher. Finally, let's have a low pass sweep with that lower input level. Nice fat, smooth low pass. Let's check this out in a patch with some envelopes open in VCAs and get some modulation into the filter. So I've got a sequence playing, sending pitch into my oscillators, and I've got gates opening up envelopes that are opening up VCAs after the filter. Let's check out the sound and then add some modulation. Let's play with the envelope, modulating the filter. Responds really well to really tight, fast envelopes. And I've also got an LFO that I can mix with the envelope. Let's swap one side to be a bandpass. And we can invert our modulation by going to the left. Let's go bandpass and high pass. So it can create interesting stereo images by taking different filter outputs for each side. So not only can we make our own stereo patches, mixing oscillators to create this unison and detune and width across a stereo image, we can use the ever-growing amount of stereo modules. So here's mutable instruments rings being struck by a gate and the volt-per-octave signal changing the pitch. There's an LFO modulating the dampening, so the note length on rings is changing, but there's no modulation of the filter as of yet. Let's open up the cutoff in the low pass mode and check out the sound coming in. Let's check out filtering this sound. Let's take one side to be a bandpass. And the other to be a high pass. You just hear that resonance oscillating a bit there. Let's go low and high. We've already got a stereo input, but this adds some nice tonal differences in the sides as well. Going back to both in low pass, let's add some stepped modulation. Got this lovely sort of poppy, wet kind of underwater vibe going on. Let's open up the cutoff a bit more and turn down the res. And this is just clocked, sample and hold, completely random stepped signal modulating the cutoff. Let's check out the filter processing a full mix, drums, bass and a little chord stab. So here I've got a full mix into the filter, coming out of the low pass. Let's check it out. So DJ mixers often have filters on, and I think we forget that we can be creative over the output of a whole mix sometimes. So it's a stereo mix going in, stereo out, and we can play with this filter. And the track's just a wonky hip hop groove I threw together for this demo. Let's check out bandpass. And high pass. Let's check out audio rate modulation. So I'm going to plug in a simple sine wave and take that from LFO speeds right up through audio to modulate the filter. So it can go pretty bonkers too. So that's the MMF VCF from Happy Nerding, the multi-mode stereo Moog transistor ladder style filter.